Hey guys, we're going to jump right into today's video. A few videos ago, I did a color correction on Amelia. She was the winner of my giveaway give back for medical personnel on front lines for the COVID-19 during my Instagram giveaway. She had about 3 inches of virgin level 6 copper hair. That's right, she is a natural redhead. And then she had a couple of inches of a band in the mids and faded color on the ends. That band and old color on the ends was box dye. We did her hair color correction a week ago to the day of this second session. Today is a lot more simple and easy and only took about an hour and 15 minutes from start to finish. She loves low maintenance and would like to go a few months in between each session. Our end goal is to make her a low maintenance blonde. I'm thinking of recording a tutorial for every session so you guys can see how each session goes. If that's something you may be interested in, please let me know in the comments down below and also leave other video ideas as well. Right now, before we go any further, click the subscribe button if you have not yet done so, and make sure to hit the bell so you're notified every time I upload, which is usually every Tuesday. So I am doing a root color and a mids and ends color. I'm using Demi Permanent in the Joico Lumishine Liquid line because they have some really good coverage and I want this to last and actually fade beautifully. The reason I had her come back in a week after we did our first session, and the reason we're really doing this is because I want to pack pigment onto her hair so when it fades, that ugly band left in the hair doesn't show its ugly head, and because redheads, believe it or not you guys, I don't know if you're aware, do not take color well. I believe I did Lumishine 4N 5N as a paint between and a root smudge using Shades EQ 5N 5NA, and if you noticed, it did not cover like I wanted to or deepen her hair up. That is because natural redheads have to be bleached or use a permanent color to get it to cover, and sometimes permanent color doesn't even do it. This is all redheads. It makes them very unique. So if you ever want to darken a redhead, I would lighten with lightener and deposit the color after so it holds, because the bleach will kick out that red pigment. Also, quickly before I forget, I am using Joico Lumishine 5N on her base and bringing it down an inch or two. And for the mids and ends color, I'm using Lumishine 7N, 7NWB, and a splash of 8NA. And this was all with the dedicated 5 volume.
Many miles away from home, steps were difficult, I'm exhausted, but I did not fall. I hope something good is coming up. Free like a bird, but also louder, and my footsteps on the ground. I raise my head, listen to the sound, I'm happy with what I have found. Just breathe, just breathe, just breathe, just breathe.
So one of my favorite tricks when blending colors is to always use a comb so you can prevent any harsh lines. I applied all the color on the root in the back first, and then I went back and applied my mids and ends color and blended until I couldn't blend anymore with my hands, and once I felt it was blended well enough, I would comb it through. When I finished, I applied the root color in the front, and then I applied the mids and ends color, repeating the same steps in the front 2 sections.
No one ever told me how hard it's gonna be. My way is full of branches, like the roots of a tree. Where should I go from here? I need a good advice. The elders waiting for me at sunrise. I'm in the prison, open doors, 10 directions on the floor. I lose my mind, lose my sight. Tell me how I'm gonna win this fight. Just breathe, just breathe, just breathe, just breathe, just breathe, just breathe.
Once all the color was applied, I let her process for roughly 25 to 30 minutes, and then shampooed and conditioned her with my favorite Olaplex No. 4 shampoo and No. 5 conditioner. If you guys have never used this stuff, you do not know what you're missing. It's for all hair colors and types, and can be a blonde's best friend. Trust me when I tell you. We all know lightener is damaging, but Olaplex 1 through 7 is the way to go, and it is a necessity when trying to reconstruct the hair.
I would rather die, not being who I wanna be. Just cause I would rather die, cause I would rather die. Just breathe. Take the courage, babe. Everybody ready. Cause I would rather die. This is not your time. Cause I would rather die.
OMG, you guys, look at that hair, look at that shine, it's amazing, and it's well evened out as well. So there you go, another one is now in the history books. Let me know what you thought of this quick tutorial down below yonder in the comment section, and remember, constructive criticism is always welcome. Don't forget to like this video, share my channel with friends and loved ones who might be interested in my content, and most importantly, subscribe. Also, video ideas, leave them down below yonder in the comments as well. I want to put out content you guys want to see. Follow my Instagram for daily hair education, and until the next one, so long for now.
Many miles away from home, steps were difficult, I'm exhausted, but I did not fall. I hope something good is coming up.